We didn't go out yesterday, but we're out today. It looks like a good morning. I don't know if you can see the glow on my face. We came out a little bit late. There's some interesting cloud formations out there, I think. So I've got a GoPro all the way up here. Got one of my other cameras here. I bet you have a look.
I didn't want to just miss out on it. I feel like when you get up with the sun, you just get a little more of your day in. And there's something about it that's invigorating. We don't get to be this close to the beach on a regular weekday, so while we can do our holidays, we just lap it up and make the most of it.
Has she been nice to you?
It's not really a share chair, is it?
Yeah, it's a share chair. We saw dolphins again.
Get his drone back. Oh my gosh, there's like 8 or something.
Trees, you can leave your worries. Listen to the way you say you wanna get.
It's fun. There's a lot more today. So Krystal's struggling. She sounds a little bit like she's been on the sauce all night. It was a good sunrise. Apparently they were talking about the sunrise on the news today. There's an interesting cloud formation. There have been UFOs or a water spout
Or a cloud.
Just a cloud, or potentially jets from New Zealand. That's apparently what the lady had said, like some random lady that came up to us. Usually on this beach we get random ladies come up to us.
There's those other ones from the other day, they're going for a swim. They're so cute, they have snorkels.
Oh, they've got
old
snorkels?
ladies and they're wearing snorkels, and I think, bless them, they actually pick up rubbish on the beach.
I've got a GoPro just taking a time lapse, and she was going to go collect it because she thought it was rubbish.
I thought it was rubbish.
Wasn't that funny?
Are we going to go make pancakes?
Yeah, we'll go make pancakes. Good day at the beach. I think we might head back.
I'm just going to go and see the kids. We can hear them awake in the room. We just got back. Let's go.
You have a good sleep? Yeah. You house? You have a good sleep? We're going to have to charge some of these batteries just in case I want to go out later. So I better do that. Use this really dramatic lighting. I'll be back. I've got to get coffee. You heard me. I'll be back. I'll be back. Mommy.
You're an absolute gem.
Very nice.
There are three things you need to make pancakes. 1, milk. 2, eggs. 3, flour.
Okay.
It's important. Rule of 1, 1, 1. Rule of 3, but 1. 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk. Ready? Boom. Last minute decision, gonna go see the sunset. Everyone's in the car. Hello everybody, is everyone ready to go? Did we miss it? Time will tell. These are our partners in this sun chasing quest. Over there. This looks like the way down to the beach. Oh yeah? It's a bit windy though. It's not a lot of sand. What do you think? We can work with this. Successful flights, lots of fun.
No fun, no fun. I want to go home.
Someone wants to go home, but Nell, would you prefer to go to the park instead though?
I want to go park at home.
We're going to come to the beach. We're going to do the traditional feet in the water shot. Oh yeah, relaxation maximus. Apparently you understand what I'm saying is sometimes the shortest little trips can become the most difficult trips. Kids crying babies. Come on.
Oh no, come on buddy, move.
Yeah, I'll get out.
I don't want to already move out.
Come on, bud. You okay? Bye.